So a very warm welcome to you, Mr. 𝗏𝗫𝗄𝐿 and Ms. Rajia Gilani. So welcome to our show.
Thank you, Mr. Pranav.
And our viewers have been sending their very appreciative note about your deep insights into the crude and the bitumen sector. So I would like to convey a very warm feeling on behalf of our viewers to both of you.
Thank you so much.
So to begin with this week's episode, some of the key questions we have matter of fact, couple of questions. So our first question would be that the Iranian bitumen prices have seen a big drop. So what do you see could be the reasons behind it?
Yeah, as I mentioned in my previous interviews also, there wasn't any clear signal in the market. Singapore price was fixed, Bahrain faced a fall of prices, and Iran was about to experience a fall of 16% on vacuum bottom prices, and India was expecting a fall of bitumen price between 25 to 30 US$. And but from 1st August, the whole market trend changed, and all of these markets but unified with each other. And there was a fall at the beginning, and after that, they all faced a surge of prices by approaching the end of monsoon, and also the demands that were receiving from different markets. The fall of 16% vacuum bottom price was completely based on the pricing formula, and the other effective factors of bitumen price were not significant in this pricing. And also in India, we observed a fall of 16.5 US$ instead of the predicted increase, the predicted range of 25 to 30 US$. And also, we observed that in the Iranian refineries also had a competition up to 60% in Iran. And if I want to have a sum of my words, I have to say that the fall of vacuum bottom price in Iran was only based on the pricing formula and not other factors. The fall of India was based on the coming demand, and it wasn't drop as much as expected. The drop was lower than what we expected. And also the last bulk bitumen price of Singapore today that we received yesterday report, there was only $3 increase from the previously reported range, which was only $3 increase. Hence, as I mentioned before, we can expect a fall of prices in the market, and then after that, again, an upward movement will be going on.
That's very interesting. So, and markets remain complex. And thank you. And coming back to the crude oil side of the business, we have seen the weakening data being reported to have had impact onto the crude oil prices. And now with the upcoming tomorrow's OPEC+ meeting, what could be your views as to what we could expect?
Mr. Pranav, on the 1st August, Reuters published data from Singapore that the production in China and Japan is showing a big rate in July. This makes a fear in the market. It's on the inside of the crude oil demand and make a fear of the crude oil market. On the other hand, as the OPEC countries had a tendency to know the economic perspective of China as the second global power of economy to make the decision based on the situation of China, they are waiting to get more statistics from China, Japan, and other countries' conditions. These reports show that the new lockdown of China as a result of a COVID-19 corona outbreak ruined the partial of improvement of production plants in China. And also, we received news that the production activity in Japan has faced its weakest growth in the last 10 months. These things they make effect on the crude, and we see a drop on Monday, the 1st of August, on crude oil. And that before that, all the market analysts predict that the price will be growth. We see a decrease on the crude oil prices. But the expert believes that that is not any significant result will be come out from upcoming meeting of OPEC because right now the world is the impact of two serious issues. One of them is the stagnation of the world, and another one is about the condition of the corona and the lockdown and the reports that we see from the China. So it doesn't seem that the coming OPEC meeting will be a very sharp result on the crude oil prices. Any news on increasing the production or decreasing the production, it says that it will be attended regularly, and there is not any hot news coming from the OPEC.
So basically what we understand is softening of demand in China, and also Japan is creating kind of a downward pressure. So that would need to be seen in the coming weeks. And OPEC Plus in tomorrow's meeting is not likely to be making any big changes. So it's going to be more of the similar situation.
Of course. Also, this is the first meeting that the new general manager of OPEC from Kuwait are coming, and also it doesn't seem that most things change in the upcoming events.
Thank you so much, and we'll know it tomorrow as to how things really pan out. And thanks for joining in, and it's been a pleasure.
Thank you, Mr. Frank.
So much.
Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you.